Have you ever seen a material so slippery even jackals can hang on? No, it's not magic, it's PTFE, aka Teflon. One of the trickiest yet coolest materials in the CNC world. So, what's PTFE? PTFE, polytetrafluorocene, fluorescein, is the I don't play by the rules fluoroplastic. It lasts at heat 260 degrees Celsius, no sweat. Shards of acids repels water and has a friction coefficient of 0.05, thicker than ice. Basically, chemistry's ultimate repel. Working with PTFE is like sculpting a sandcastle, soft, slippery, and straining. But with low RPM 400 to 800, rather sharp cooling tools and air cooling, we could process it into a precision part with a tolerance of 0.02 millimeters and a roughness less than 1.6 micrometers. For story time, we once customized a microwave seat for a medical client with a tolerance of 0.01 millimeters, no burrs, and the ability to be sterilized by high temperature steam. It took us 3 times of adjusting the program, changing the cutting tools, and making samples to get it done. The customer commented, it still has to be used. Where can it be used? Medical, steering pump fittings, aerospace, shock pads, insulation, semiconductor, vacuum support, echo chamber liners, food industry, FDA-approved slides and guides. Oh, and that non-stick pan you love, PTFE's MVP moment. Alternatives: need stiffness, PTFE, want transparency, PFA, craving toughness, glass fill PTFE. Moral of the story: right material equal winning. PTFE can be machined if you've got the skills and the patience. Nail the right settings, and this stuff will guide into space or sizzle in your frying pan. I'm Yi. Hit the like and follow if you dig material deep divers. Capture next time. Bye.